Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am back with this week's CVS haul, and make sure you check your clearance section, the Easter clearance, because my store is at 70% right now. I only picked up one item, so check it out. You might find what you like. The first deal I'll be picking up will be on the Crest toothpaste. It's on sale for $6.99, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. I'll pick up the Crest 3D Brilliance toothpaste and also the Densify, and two of them will come up to $13.98. I'll be using a $3 app coupon for each one of them. We have two in our app. Just make sure you're scanning the item, that way you're picking the right product. That will bring it down to $7.98, and I'll get $4 back. I will also submit my receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back on each one of them, making both items free and a 2-cent money maker. But I have another 3 off of 18 Crest CRT. Let me go grab some toothpaste and a mouthwash. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the buy 2 get $3 back limit of 2, and Oral-B toothbrush is part of this. It's on sale for $4.99, and I'll be picking up one. And we all have a $1 coupon we got today in our app that will be applying to this. The second item I'll be picking up will be the mouthwash, also on sale for $4.99. Both of them will come up to $9.98, and there is a $1 app coupon for the mouthwash as well. If I'm doing this by itself, when both coupons apply, I'll end up paying $7.98, and I'll get $3 back, making both items $4.98 or $3.49 each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt to see how all the coupons and CRT apply. I decided to add the Speed Stick deodorant to this transaction. It's on sale for 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. So I'm picking up 2, and I'm using this 75-cent coupon I got from speedstick.com. When both coupons apply, it will bring it down to $4.50, and I'll get $3 back, making both items $1.50 or 75 cents each. This is my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up in this transaction. And all my coupons worked out. Everything I showed you guys, everything came off. I ended up using $17.46 extra care box to pay for this, paid 0 out of pocket. And I got back $3 for buying the mouthwash and the toothbrush, and at the $4 for buying 2 of the Crest toothpaste, and another $3 for buying 2 of the Speed Stick deodorant. This whole transaction turned out very well. Just for the toothpaste and the mouthwash and the toothbrush, it ended up being just $1.96 or 49 cents each. The next deal I'll be doing will be the spend 25 get $8 back, limit of 1 per card, and I'll be picking up some dish soap in this transaction. I'll pick up the Palmolive, priced at $4.99, but it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. And I also add the Ajax, priced at $4.19. It's also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off as well. To get to 25, I'll be adding the Tide detergent, on sale for $12.99. All 5 items will come up to $26.77, which is above the spend 25. And I'll be using a $3 digital coupon for the Tide. For the Ajax, I have this 50 cents coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available. I'll be using 2 of them. And for the Palmolive, I have a 75 cents coupon as well. We have one in our app, or you can go to coupons.com and print out for the Palmolive. When all the coupons apply, it will bring it down to $21.27, and I'll get $8 back, making all 5 items $13.27 or $2.65 each. But I have a 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT that I'll be using in this transaction. That means I have to pick up more items. Next deal I'll be picking up will be the buy 2 get $3 back on Axe products, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. The good thing is the cheaper ones are included in this deal. It's priced at $6.49 each. One will be full price, and the second one will be half price. Everybody received a $7.50 app coupon today that will apply to this. It will bring it down to $2.23, and I'll get $3 back, making both items free and a 77 cents money maker. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction is another freebie. The Olay body wash is on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll pick up 2 of the body washes, and I'll be using this 5 off of 2 coupon I got from P&G website, and we have another matching one in our app that will double dip and take off $10, leaving me to pay just $4 and get $4 back, making both items free. Also check your Ibotta, because I used to have the $2 back on each one, but mine disappeared. In case you have yours, it will even make this deal a money maker. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 20 get $8 back on Revlon and Almay Cosmetics or beauty tools. I'll pick up 2 of the Revlon Kiss Balms priced at $6.49 each, and to get to 20, I'll be adding the Almay eyeshadow. It's priced at $8.49. This one is actually giving $3 back from Ibotta. I'll be using some coupons for this that we got from 4-2 savings set for each one of the products. That's a $3 off. And this $4 off Revlon CRT, we got this 2 weeks ago. Because I printed mine out, it was able to extend till yesterday, and that my store can still accept. That will bring it down to $8.47, and I'll get $8 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll get $3 back for the Almay, making all 3 items free and a $2.53 money maker. This will be all the items I'll be using the 7 off of 70 next purchase CRT. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I showed you guys. I picked up every one of them, and all my coupons are applied, everything I showed you. I ended up using just one of the Palmolive coupon, and I used one from the app, and you can see the $7.50 for the Axe, and also the 10 off of 70 came off as well. I ended up using just $25.29 extra care box for this transaction, paid 66 cents out of pocket. I got back $4 for buying 2 of the Olay body wash, and also $3 back for buying 2 of the shower gel. I got back another $8 for spend 25 get $8 back, and the last $8 I got back is the spend 20 get $8 back. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $3 for buying the Almay eyeshadow. After the rebate, this whole transaction ended up being free and a 5 cents money maker. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on the Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on buy 2, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up the blush priced at $6.79, and I will also pick up the eyeshadow priced at $8.29 as well. These 2 items will come up to $15.08. I'll be using this 5 off 15 or more Maybelline manufacturers coupon I got in my email on my birthday. I'm able to print out 2. I already used one a few weeks ago, so I'm using the second one right now. I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, and everybody received another $2 instant CRT today. All the coupons and the CRT will bring it down to $5.08, and I'll get $5 back, making all 2 items just 8 cents. The next deal I'll be picking up will be the CoverGirl. It's on a tier deal this week, so be careful with this deal because it doesn't track. It's on buy 2 get $5 back or buy 3 get 9, limit of 1. I'll pick up the Perfect Blend pencil, priced at $4.99. My store only have one. And I'll also be picking up these eyeshadows, priced at $4.99 as well. All 3 items will come up to $14.97. And I'll be using this paper coupon I got from coupons.com. It's a $3 off for the eye product. And we also have a $1 in our app that I'll be using as well. Everybody received the $3 instant CRT. I have 3. I hope you have that as well. That will bring it down to $2.97. And I'll get $9 back, making all 3 items free and a $6.03 money maker. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and these are the 5 items I picked up, like I showed you guys. This transaction ended up working out better than I expected. And I think I forgot to mention that we have a $2 instant CRT for the Maybelline as well that also applied. We all have a $2 digital coupon that came in today. And you can also check coupons.com. There is a $2 there as well. I clicked my $2 in the app. It also applied to this. Even as I used the 5 off of 15, the $2 came off as well. I ended up using $3.31 extra care box for this transaction, and I paid $2.74 out of pocket. I got back $5 for the Maybelline for buying 2, and I also got back $9 for buying 3 of the CoverGirl. Because this deal is a little bit personalized because of the 5 off 15 Maybelline manufacturer's coupon I have. In my Google Doc, I'll be using the $2 coupon that we have in our app, and also the one that you can get from coupons.com to explain this deal. So make sure you're checking it out, and if you need to print it, you can print it, or you can screenshot it and use it in the store if you need it. Thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.